Welcome, viewers. Today, I will show you how to merge two Facebook pages. First, you need a desktop browser like Google Chrome. Open Facebook and select the new page that you want to keep. The old page will be merged into this new one. I have two Facebook pages. My new page has 0 followers. I want to keep the new page and transfer all followers from the old page to the new one. My old page has 15,000 followers, and my new page has 0 followers. I want to keep the new page and transfer all followers from the old page to the new one. Once you have selected the page, click on Settings. Then, click on Page Setup. Scroll down and click on Merge Pages View, then click Start and proceed to the next step. Here, you will see both pages. Keep in mind that both pages must have the same name, profile picture, and details. If they match, the merge will work, otherwise, it will not. Now, at the top, you will see two options. The first one is the page to be removed, and the second is the page to be kept. Make sure you are selecting the correct page for removal. Once you are sure, click Next and enter your main profile password. After that, click Next again. The process may take some time as Facebook will review your request. If approved, your old page will be merged into the new one. Keep in mind that only followers will be transferred. All posts, photos, and videos will not be moved to the new page. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more useful content. Your support means a lot. Smiling face with smiling eyes.